Hello and welcome, guys. I am Cyber Hero. Let's see what we are going to discuss here. This will be the second video of this series, Cybersecurity. As you all are aware here, that we are here discussing the cyber issue. We are trying to understand its concepts, definitions. It's a lot of that with examples. So, yesterday, our previous video, we can say, we saw the basic of information security, where we saw the definitions of information security. What does it mean? What are the advantages? What is the importance, like that? And what are the elements? Today we are discussing here the key concept. I will tell here what that is: cybersecurity principles, CIA triad, most important. What does it do? How it works? Let's see that. So let's begin without wasting of time. I will show the first diagram, CIA triad here. Hope so it is clear to you. It's visible here. First one is availability, second is integrity, third is confidentiality. These three factors, key terms are here used. How they work, what is the use for them, let's say about that. First we will discuss here what is it actually CIA triad. CIA triad. It is a security model. It's designed to guide policies. For information security. Don't worry about that. I will provide the link in description for my Telegram channel, where you will get these notes. Not like this. This is for your better understanding, so will not get bored here what I am discussing here. CIA triad. What is it actually? It's a security model designed to guide policies for information security. It ensures that data and system are protected in three major ways. What are these? First one is confidentiality, what I told you. Second is integrity. Third one is availability. So what is the confidentiality, integrity, availability? Let's see that. First one is I will make in small definition for this for make you better understand. Confidentiality, keeping data secret and private. That's called confidential. We will discuss in depth within few minutes. First I am going to overview about this term. What is confidential? Keeping data secret and private. So what are the here? Secret and private. Then integrity ensures data is accurate and trustworthy. Then availability, what does that mean? Making sure system and data are accessible when needed. So these are the things: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Then we will see the in depth what is this at confidentiality. Confidentiality means protecting information from unauthorized access. Only people with the right permissions should be able to use that data. Are you getting it? Only right person. What does the right person means here? Owner, for example. Only owner. If I give an example for that, if you have if you have a photo in your gallery and you have used a password there, so you don't want to show it to all of your friends or any other. So you want a security, that is called. So you are actually protecting the unauthorized access to your gallery. That is confidential. Then how it is achieved? How can we achieve in data? First is encryption. What does it mean? Changing the text form, encrypting the data I will tell you. I will give an example. If I have write hello and I have to encrypt it to my friend, I will make it P L P E P E H I F like that. I will tell, and this encryption pattern my friend and I know. So I will write IKKP. If I will get any doubt, maybe his parent will see this message, or maybe any other is with him, so he will get this message. He will see IFKKP. If another person will see this message, he will not get this. He will say, what is that IFKP? But when my friend will see, he will know that after H there will be I, so he will decrease it by 1. He will get H like that, then F, then E, LLO like this. This was a simple example. So this is called the encryption. Change the text form. Then access control. Access control. What does that mean? Access control. Here we can use some passwords. Secret log like that. Biometric, face log, fingerprint log. It's multi-factor authentication, just like OTP. Two-factor authentication. This is called access control. Another thing is data classification. Data should be classified. Now data classification and policies. Like, should this data be public or it's confidential? What does confidential mean? Like password is etc, your pin वगैरह, or it is a top secret. These are 3 categories where data can be stored: public, confidential, top secret. Public on a YouTube video, that is the public. Confidential, maybe for example your bank passwords, it's top secret. I think you got this top secret. What can be your top secret? If you guys make a comment your secret about yourself. Comment a secret. Then another thing where is network security. Network security. How it can be achieved? Through firewalls, VPNs, then TLS or etc. Don't worry about that if you don't know this term: firewalls, VPNs, TLS, and for web traffic etc. I will make the video on this network security where you will understand these terms better. So for this time, just remember, for network security and data classification policies, access control, encryption, this confidentiality is used. I hope it's clear now. Now let's go to another thing. Then we will go for this. First I will make an example for this confidence, so you will easily remember this. For example, banking app, your PIN or biometric authentication ensures that you can access your account. Medical records, hospitals must encrypt and restricted access to patient data so that only authorized data doctors can see it. Right? Main example you are all aware that are used to WhatsApp end-to-end encryptions. Messages are encrypted, so in WhatsApp itself cannot read them. This is the promise of WhatsApp. It provides end-to-end encryption. Then we will go for integrity. Integrity. How can be it achieved? What is actually integrity? It's ensuring data is accurate. Complete, and has not been tampered with, whether by accident or malicious. How can you do it? Hashing. If you're not aware of this hashing, what does that mean? Let me give an example of hashing as SHA-256 to verify data integrity. Hashing, how it works? It is the same like type of encryption, but it's different from that. But if I wrote here ABCD, when it will convert into hash, it will like this: hash at the rate of 76 BC. This is a type of hash, for example, just rough. So this data will be converted into hash. As you should know that your passwords are stored in hashes. So first thing is hashes. Then checksums. and digital signatures to confirm authenticity, version control to track change and prevent unauthorized edits. Better. Let me give an example of that. Online transactions. When you transfer money, the amount and recipient must remain unchanged during transmission. Integrity checks ensure this. Hope is clear. Or when you download and update, the system verifies a digital signature to confirm it is from the official developer. Are you getting it? If you will download and update for your system or your mobile PC, whatever, so first it will check it will get checked that is it from official or not. A lot of APKs are present on Chrome that are not official, that will damage your privacy, maybe your system. So be aware of that. That is why iOS does not provide us third-party applications from Chrome or browser like that. So that is called iOS is secure than Android. Is it really? Let's see. Then we will go for availability. What does this mean? Availability. Let's check availability. Short form. This is short form. It's not actually spelling. Availability means data and systems are accessible when authorized user needed them. For example, you access the Google, you type there weather.com, for example, www.weather.com. It should be accessible whenever you need, 24/7. Maybe you need weather updation like right now, but the weather system or the weather site is not working, so it's kind of stuff. So it should be available. How it can be achieved? Redundancy and backups, multiple server or cloud storage. Another thing we can go there, disaster recovery plans. One more thing is there we can use load balancing. Load balancing. How it will help? Load balancing is if you know that when a result will come, the university side does not work properly because a lot of users visit there, so they don't have the well load balancing features there. Just like a Google search engine, if you visit a website which will be well load balanced, what happens there? If you go 100 million times, million numbers of users visited a website at a particular time, maybe that website has that not capability, so that will get stuck and hang. So there we need load balancers. DDoS protection, denial of service, DOS attacks. I will make them video on that, how it works. Let us see an example and cut it off. Make it simple. Bank ATM must always be available for customer to withdraw cash. Right? E-commerce sites, Amazon, Flipkart, cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox. I hope this clears these things. Let me putting it all together, revision it. Confidentially, your login credentials and transaction data should be encrypted, so only you and the bank can access them. For example, banking example I am cutting that. Integrity. If you transfer 100 rupees, the system ensures that exact amount is credited to the correct recipient without alternation. It should be not like that you credited, you debited, you transfer 100 rupees and the user got 200 rupees. Oh, it should be accurate. Then availability, the system must be available online 24/7. Even during a cyber attack, disaster recovery ensures you can settle access your money. So this was all about CI trade. Hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe bell icon. Thank you.